Welcome back, Quizzers! Quiz Helper here with another ready-to-use quiz template. This time it's a Rate the Food quiz in the style of one of the most popular quiz channels right now, Quiz Blitz. The ready-to-use templates have most of the work done for you, and can be edited on any of your favorite video editors, including Canva. This template is free to use for personal use for all of my subscribers. So, just in case you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's check out what the video template includes. There's a 3D style page number button. There are the multiple options with animated emojis, a short format 8-second timer bar, and one of my many free quiz video backgrounds found on my channel. Here's a preview of the video template. Now we'll take a look at how to quickly customize this ready-to-use template in Canva, but don't forget that you can use this template on your favorite video editor. First, I upload the video to a new Canva video template. Then I go to Elements on the left side menu, and search for Rounded Rectangle, and click the shape to drop it on the video. Then I click the color wheel on the top toolbar, and change the color of the shape to white. I align this shape with the timer bar. Then I click on Uploads on the left side menu, and add a picture to the canvas. I round the corners, and I add a white stroke to the picture. I click Text on the left side menu, and I type the answer, and change the font, and move the text into the first shape I created. I chose the Luckiest Guy font for this project. I group the answer box, the text, and the picture together. Then I click on Animate on the top toolbar. Make sure all of the elements you group together are the same length on the timeline, otherwise the animations won't match. I chose my usual pop animation with a wiggle effect. Then I add another text box, and title the quiz. I selected the last word in the title and changed the color to yellow. I added a drop shadow for a 3D effect. I added another text box for the quiz channel name. I clicked Elements on the left side menu, and I searched Graphics for a white YouTube logo. I chose a black logo, and changed the color to white. Then I resized the logo, and grouped it to the channel name. Lastly, I added another text box for the page number. Let's see how it turned out. And there you have it. Another ready-to-use template by Quiz Helper. Remember, this template is free to use for subscribers, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to continue to support this channel. Thank you for all of your support. I'll see you guys again soon.